So if you have any Thunderbolt displays or Thunderbolt devices or USB-C devices, you're going to want to take a look at this product from Hyper. It's the Thunderbolt 4 Power Hub. Hey, it's HighTechDad. So I just got my hands on this. I haven't unboxed it yet. I'm going to be doing that in this video. But this looks like it's going to be a great solution for part of my setup where I have right now connected to my MacBook Pro a monitor, hard drive, and some other peripherals using up all the USB-C Thunderbolt ports on my MacBook Pro. So you can see in the photo, this is just an example, a couple of Thunderbolt displays, some hard drives. There's this device here, and it's all kind of nicely arranged. So I'm going to be doing the unboxing, see what's inside. It is fairly heavy, but it looks like it's going to help declutter my desktop, hopefully. So just to zoom in on some of the specs here. So it's got 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports and 1 Thunderbolt 4 port that also provides upstream power delivery up to 96 watts. It does also have a plug. I'll show that later on. It is powered by GaN technology. There's the 96 watts. It can support up to 8K or dual 4K. And like I said, it's got 4 Thunderbolt ports. So let's see what's inside the box. Gonna hopefully not rip the box open, but open it up and see what we have inside here. So like I said, it's fairly heavy. It is perfect for like a static or a non-moving type of office setup. I don't think I would want to carry this around because it does weigh a couple of pounds. So here we go. Let's see what's inside. Put that down here. So we do have an instruction manual. What will be interesting to find out is if it is indeed driverless. It does say that it's driverless. So I'm curious to see if once I plug it in, if I do have to put in any kind of driver or not. So supposedly it isn't. So here it is. It's fairly large. So you can see this here. Put the box down. It's got some nice padded feet here so it won't scratch your table. On this side, these are the 4 Thunderbolt ports. So these are the 3 that you would connect to monitors or hard drive or other peripherals. This is a power delivery port, so this is what you would want to obviously plug into your Mac or even a PC that supports USB-C or Thunderbolt, and that'll deliver power to charge your device. Nothing else on the other sides, and on the back is the hole for the wall plug. So that's one thing I'm gonna have to find in my setup is a spare wall plug. So let's see what else is in here. It is nicely packaged. Everything comes out fairly easily. And then underneath, it looks like we have the power cord. Pretty standard looking. It is a 2-prong, which is nice. And then it looks like there is a provided USB-C, probably a power delivery USB-C. So whenever you do use power delivery, you want to make sure that you do have the proper type of USB-C or Thunderbolt display cords. You don't want to get one that is just plain old USB-C. You want to make sure that it supports power delivery. Anyway, so that is the unboxing. I'm going to be doing some testing over the next couple of days. And if you want to read my review of this, it's going to be on my website, and that's at HighTechDad.com. If you want to ask me any questions, you can always ask me on Twitter, and I'm at HighTechDad. You can message me on my Facebook fan page, and that's at facebook.com/HTD blog. And like I said, be sure to like, thumbs up, follow, subscribe. I'm going to be doing more unboxings and more reviews in the future. And so this is the Hyper Thunderbolt 4 Power Hub. It's been unboxed. Let's go plug it in. Thanks for watching.